Do you want to know how you can log into your Bajaj Capital Mutual Fund account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Bajaj Capital Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Bajaj Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Bajaj Capital Mutual Fund. You can log in using your Google account, your email address or your phone number. To log in using your email address and phone number, go ahead and write down your email address or phone number in this box over here and write down your password in this box. After you write down your email, mobile number and password, make sure it is correct and then click login. This way, you can log in to your Bajaj Capital Mutual Fund account using your email number or your phone number. If you want to log in using OTP, write down your phone number, click login using OTP and an OTP will be sent to your phone. Go ahead and verify the OTP and then you can log in using OTP as well. If you want to skip all of these and want to continue with Google, just go ahead and click continue with Google and click on your Google account. Click continue to sign into Bajaj Capital Mutual Fund, and if you are not registered, this will pop up. If you are registered, you will be logged in using your Google account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Bajaj Capital Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.